What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could completely shift your mindset and possibly your income? 7 days ago, I decided to test something that millions of people talk about online. The 369 manifestation technique. Some call it powerful. Some call it nonsense. Some say it changed their life. So I thought, instead of just watching videos about it, why not test it myself for 7 days straight? No skipping, no excuses, no overthinking. And what happened? Honestly, surprised me. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the 369 method is, how to do it step by step, what I personally manifested, and the biggest mistakes that secretly block results. Stay until the end, because the real shift wasn't what I expected. What is the 369 method? The 369 method is inspired by the genius inventor Nikola Tesla. Tesla once said, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." Now, whether that quote is fully accurate or not, the internet turned it into a powerful manifestation ritual. Here's how it works. You write your affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. That's it. Simple. But the power is in repetition and emotional focus. For example, I am so grateful for $1,000 flowing into my life this month. You're not wishing, you're not hoping, you're declaring. The goal is to reprogram your subconscious mind through repetition. Because your subconscious doesn't argue, it accepts what you repeat with emotion. Step-by-step guide. Let me break down exactly how I did it. Step 1. Choose one affirmation. This is where most people mess up. Your affirmation must be specific, positive, present tense. Not "I will be successful." Instead say, "I attract profitable opportunities daily." Notice the difference? Future tense creates distance. Present tense creates identity. For my 7-day experiment, I chose, I am attracting consistent online income opportunities. Clear, focused, relevant to my goals. Step 2. Write 3 times in the morning. Right after waking up, before checking your phone, before social media. This sets your intention for the day. When I started doing this, something interesting happened. I felt more focused throughout the morning, almost like my brain had a direction. Step 3. Write 6 times in the afternoon. This is reinforcement. Most people lose motivation in the middle of the day. This step pulls your mind back. Instead of scrolling mindlessly, you reconnect with your goal. And I noticed something around day 3. I started seeing opportunities I usually ignored. Ideas, messages, possibilities. Were they always there? Probably. But now I was paying attention. Step 4. Write 9 times at night. This is the most powerful part because right before you sleep, your brain enters a relaxed, suggestible state. You're programming your subconscious before it processes the day. When I wrote my affirmation at night, I didn't just write it mechanically. I paused. I imagined the relief of consistent income, the confidence, the stability. I tried to feel it as real. And that emotional layer changed everything. Step 5, add emotion. If you just write words like a robot, nothing happens. Emotion is the fuel. When you feel gratitude, certainty, or excitement, your brain treats it as a real experience. Your body doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined success and a real one. That's the secret. My 7-day results. Now, let's talk about what actually happened. Day 1 and 2. Honestly, it felt repetitive, a little boring. I kept thinking, is this really doing anything? But I stayed consistent. Day 3 and 4. This is where something shifted. I wasn't magically rich, but my mindset changed. Instead of thinking, there are no opportunities, I started thinking, where are the opportunities? That tiny shift changed my behavior. I sent messages I was postponing. I responded faster. I followed up on leads. Day 5 and 6. Small wins started appearing. An unexpected inquiry. A delayed payment arriving. A new idea that felt promising. Was it magic? No, it was alignment. When you repeatedly tell your brain something matters, your brain filters reality differently. You take action differently. And action creates results. Day 7. Here's the biggest realization. The 3-6-9 technique didn't change my life in 7 days, it changed me. And when you change, your results eventually followed. Confidence increased, clarity improved, doubt reduced. That was the real manifestation. Common mistakes avoid. If you're going to try this, avoid these mistakes. First, writing in future tense. I will be rich. No. Say, I am financially abundant. Step 2. No emotion. Flat writing equals flat results. Feel it. Number 3. Changing affirmations daily. Don't switch goals every 24 hours. Stick to one affirmation for at least 7 days. Consistency builds belief. Number 4. No action. This is not magic. If you manifest money, but never send emails, never build skills, never take risks, nothing changes. Affirmation plus aligned action equals results. So here's the full formula. 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. Add emotion. Stay consistent for 7 days. And most importantly, understand this. Manifestation is not about forcing the universe. It's about becoming the version of you who naturally attracts what you want. Try this for 7 days. Comment below what you're manifesting. I'll reply to the first 50 comments. And if you want daily success habits, mindset training, and accountability, check the link in the description. Remember, abundance doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to identity. Rewrite your daily thoughts, and your future will slowly rewrite itself. See you in the next video. And don't stop here. YouTube has another video waiting for you.